Hello students, good morning. Today we will discuss about the limit and continuity of methods. So for limit we have discussed in first year. Limit and their formulas we have already discussed in first year, and now we will discuss about the continuity. Limit first year already discuss कराई, continuity विषय रे वर्तमान discuss करिबा. So what is the meaning of continuity? Continuity means, now ready here it is. Suppose गोटे ग्राफ गोटे ड्रॉ करिया y equal to f of x. Y equal to f of x means जे कोन से गोटे कर्व गोटे ता ऊपर गोटे हम जदी गोटे पॉइंट नवा फिक्स्ड पॉइंट इक्वल टेक ए फिक्स्ड पॉइंट ऑन द कर्व, देन दैट इज व्हाट c. c नेले से फंक्शन रो वैल्यू टा केता आसीबो x बगरे c पुट करले f of c. से पॉइंट रो जस्ट फॉरवर्ड आ गोटे पॉइंट को जिबा, दैट इज f of c plus h. सो h टेंड्स टू 0 माने h रो मूल्यटा प्राय पाखा पाखी 0 सहित समान. टिके आगो जिबा, टिके पछु आसले f of c minus h पुट करले कोन आसीबो x बाय c minus h, f of c minus h. ए तीनटा जगह जदी मूल्य मींस ए पाखर जति मूल्य, ए पाखर जति मूल्य, ए पाखर जति मूल्य, देन वी से दीज आर कंटीन्यूअस. So here it is written a function y equal to f of x is said to be continuous at x equal to c. Be continuous at x equal to c if LHL equal to RHL equal to f of c. F of c means this is the f of c, this is the RHL right hand limit and this is the left hand limit. ठीक है, आगो जुआ ठीक है पछो जुआ आ से पॉइंट पाखरे जदी समस्त सब मूल्य दा सेम रहउची, then that is continuous. In other words, if LHL equal to RHL is not equal to f of c, f of c सहित जो इक्वल होनी, LHL equal to RHL केवल होची, then we say that is what a function exist therein. जदि गोटे फंक्शन टा को exist प्रूव करिया पई हेले we have to show that LHL equal to RHL. LHL रो वैल्यू एटा होची, RHL रो वैल्यू एटा. So this is the main things. Okay, now we discuss more about the problems. Now look at problematics. Exercise 7a from the element book. 7a from the element book. The first problem is given. Examine continuity. Examine continuity. Continuity अच्छी ना नहीं हम चेक करेगा. Continuity. Here given f of x equal to x square minus a square by x minus a if x is not equal to a if x equal to a at x equal to a. So what is the meaning of this? At x equal to a means एटा होची c रो वैल्यू टा होची जोटा x equal to दिया है, that is c रो वैल्यू, that is the constant value. So first how to write now, look at here f of x equal to जोटा दिया है f of x, this one f of x equal to x square minus a square by x minus a. c equal to what? a. जो दिया है x equal to, that is what? c. f of c means f of a. f of c means f of a. and जेतले a और x रो वैल्यू a होबो तार वैल्यू टा केते आइछि a दिया है, ऑलरेडी दिया है x equal to a. if x equal to a means x पाखरे a जेतले पुट कराबा आर वैल्यू टा केते आइसबो a आइसबो. so you write this is a. so this is f of c value. understood or not this one? so now LHL limit formula h tends to 0 minus f of c minus h. This is the formula f of c minus h. Limit h tends to 0 minus f of c minus h means f of c equal to what? A minus h. So limit h tends to 0 minus f of a minus h means f of x equal to this one. it x पाखरे कौन पुट करा है? a minus h पुट करा है. a minus h you put instead of x. So what value will get? a minus h whole square minus a square by x minus. So instead of x also you put what? a minus h. a minus h minus a. So here you got a got. Limit h tends to 0 minus a minus b whole square a square plus h square minus 2ah minus a square a minus b whole square. So a square got. So remain here minus h. So limit h tends to 0 minus. This minus represent little backward, plus represent forward direction. Minus represent what? Little backward direction. Plus represent what? Forward direction. So here h is the common. So h minus 2a by minus h. Here minus h plus h cancel. Here it is minus 1 remains. So you write. Now you put. जो h अच्छी कौन पुट करा है? 0 पुट करा है. h equal to 0. Here you put. Then you get what? Minus 2a by minus 1. That equal to 2a. So LHS equal to 2a. Okay. So this function is not continuous. Why it is function not continuous? Because f of c equal to what? Given a. LHL equal to 2a. RHL equal to what value? That is not matter. যদি এদিকে জায়গা যদি ইকুয়াল না আসছে তিনটা জায়গা যদি ইকুয়াল আসুনি f of c and LHL ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ RHL এই তিনটা যদি ভ্যালু যদি ইকুয়াল না আসছে then that is not a continuous. Here it is a, here it is 2a, so it is not a continuous. Okay, so RHL ର value କେମିତି find out କରା ହଉଛି? Let's see now. Okay, RHL you will get RHL formula little change. You will get what type of change? Here it is the plus. Limit h tends to 0 plus. Here it is c plus h. f of c plus h. Limit h tends to this one equal to it. कौन c माने कितने इसमें a c plus h means a plus h. So here also x पाखरे कौन पुट करा है? a plus h पुट कले a plus h it a plus h. it a plus h हो it कौन हो a plus h हो. So a plus h a cancel. So a plus h whole square equal to a square plus h square minus 2h. Minus ने plus हो it minus 2 plus 2h. a square got this one. इटू h common बाहर बोले किधर है? h plus 2a. Here also plus. This is the plus. Okay. इधर plus 1 रहेगा. और लिखिए दरकार h cancel हो गया. So here what? Look at it h equal to 0 इटू put कर दले सब जगह plus है. Representation plus. These are plus. Plus represent for what? RHL. इट किधर रहेगा? h बाहर 0 put कर दले केवल 2a रहेगा. LHL RHL equal है but f of c is not equal, so it is not continuous. कौन लिखा है? वो लिखा है वो last में finally since LHL is not equal to RHL is not equal to LHL equal to RHL is not equal to f of c, so it is not continuous. It is not continuous. Finally you write this one. तीन टा value. ये कौन है? RHL 2a, LHL 2a and f of c मध्ये जो 2a असता ना then that is what continuous. Otherwise it is not continuous. Why? LHL equal RHL. ये तीन equal है कौन को आये दिला? ये लिखा है दिला. This exist, limit exist but not continuous. Remember this. So question number 1 over. Next question. Second question, second bit. f of x equal to sin 2x by x when x is not equal to 0. If x equal to 0, its value equal to 2. at x equal to 0. So at x equal to 0 means this is what c equal to 0. Okay. So start now. f of x equal to कौन दिया है sin 2x by x, sin 2x by x. X equal to what? 0. That means c equal to 0. X equal to 0 means this is what c equal to 0. Now f of c equal to means f of 0 equal to f of c equal to what given? When x equal to 0, its value equal to 2 given. जेतले x equal to 0 है लार मूल्य टा 2 दिया है, so you write this is 2. Second line, if direct value given, that is what this is. Okay. So now you find what LHL. Limit h tends to 0 minus f of c minus h means c equal to what? 2 minus h. Limit h tends to 0 minus f of 2 minus h माने जोटी जोटी कौन अछि एठी x अछि 2 minus h पुट कराओ sin 2 into 2 minus h. So x बगैर 2 minus h पुट कराला by 2 minus h. So now look at 2 minus h. h tends to 0. लिमिट केते इसमें देखिए एठी लिमिट h tends to 0 minus ऊपर है 2 minus h 2 एटी जति के जो माने एक्चुअली हमर कोन लिमिट sin x by x equal to कोन लिमिट x tends to 0 sin x by x equal to 1 एटी कोन करा है एटी 2 अछि एटी 2 नै जदि 2 थांदा माने कोन हे देंदा 1 हे देंदा. So you write this one sin 2 into 2 minus h by 2 into 2 minus h into 2. So according to this formula, sin x by x equal to 1. This is 1 into 2. This is 1 into 2. That equal to 2. LHL equal to 2. Direct RH, direct value f of c equal to also 2. Now if it is RHL equal to also 2, then that is continuous. RHL value 2 केम देखा है वो. So now look at this is from this cell. We start now. Here it is RHL. RHL equal to h tends to 0 plus. Okay. Here it is 2 minus h is given. 2 plus h you write. Limit h tends to 0. Here you plus you put. Here also you plus you put. Because 2 plus h x by 2 plus h put करा. 0 put करा. 2 plus h 2 plus h. Okay. Now it is the what 1 again. 1 into 2 equal to 2. RHL also 2. So LHL equal to 2, RHL equal to 2, f of c equal to 2. Here f of c equal to RHL is equal to LHL equal to 2. So it is continuous at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, the function this is what continuous. 3 values are equal. This is 2 also, LHL also 2. Okay. So now we will discuss another problem. We look at question number 3 from the exercise. You look at question number 3 from the exercise. These are very important. 4 mark question will come. Okay. 1 4 mark question will come in your exam. Third one, f of x equal to 1 plus 2x whole to the power 1 by x. E square. If x is not equal to a, if x equal to a and x equal to a, So now look at again x equal to a means here function is f of x equal to 1 plus 2x whole to the power 1 by x. Formula, you look at here, I am just giving the formula. Limit x tends to 0, 1 plus x whole to the power 1 by x equal to e. This one, okay. By application this formula, we would solve this. Okay, this is the formula. We leave it now. At x equal to a, given at x equal to a, that is what c equal to a. At x equal to a means c equal to a. So now look at f of c equal to means f of a equal to, when x equal to a, its value equal to e square. Means f of c equal to e square, that is given. Now we find what LHS. Limit h tends to 0 minus f of a minus h. F of a minus h. So what is this f of a minus h? So here at x equal to 0, not a is given. At x equal to 0, here also 0. Okay. At x equal to 0 means these are the zeros. 0 minus h. C minus h means 0 minus h. Now limit h tends to 0 minus. 0 minus h means minus h. जोड़ जोड़ x अच्छे जोड़ minus h पुट करिया. कौन अच्छे देखिए 1 plus 2 into 1 minus 0 minus h whole to the power 1 by 0 minus h. So now limit h tends to 0 minus. So now 1 here plus 2 into minus h equal minus 2h. Here it is 1 by minus h. So according to this, if it is what 1 plus x 1 by x, here x 1 by x, then it is e. Here it is what 1 minus 2h. If it is 1 by minus 2h, then it is what e. So how to write this one? Limit h tends to 0 minus. कौन करा 1 को 1 लिखा है minus 2h को minus 2h means here x equal to minus 2h. पावर हमको कौन दरकार 1 by minus 2h. एक 2h अच्छी 1 by minus 2h. इट कौन करा ला 2 रे multiply करा ला इट divide and multiply इट करा ला ना value change is. So up to this mark 8 5 बंदे यार हमको value टा कहते e. So this is e आउट है 2 रहेगा e square. So LHL equal to e square. So e by LHL also e square, then that is continuous. Then how to check this one? Now look at from here also just I am going to do this RHL. Limit h tends to 0 plus. Here it is also 0 plus. Here 0 plus. Here plus. Only this type of change. 0 plus. Here plus. Here plus. 2 into 2h. Here plus. Here what happens? This is the plus. This is plus. 1 plus 2h. 1 by 2h into 2. This is what up to this mark equal to e. This is 2 e square. So RHL also e square. So LHL, RHL and f of c are equal. So you write the function at last you write since f of c is equal to LHL is equal to RHL equal to e square. So the function is continuous at x equal to 0. At x equal to 0, this function is continuous. Okay. So now another problem. You do it. Ninth number problem. Question number 9 from the exercise. These are very important for your exam also. These questions. Okay. F of x equal to 1 by x, the greatest integer of x. If x less than a, if x less than a, if x less than a. Second, equal to minus 1 if x greater than equal to a, at x equal to a. So here what given, you will get here it is less than given, here greater than given, equal to given. So for what purposes it is less than, for what purposes it is greater than, and for what purpose it is what equal to. Now equal to जो it is less than दिया है जी, इसलिए LHL by नहीं आओ, x less than दिया है जी. So you take what, for LHL you take this function LHL by जो it less than दिया है, it is x greater than दिया है जी, x equal to दिया है जी. So केमती आपको sort out कराएगा ना उनके लिए, it is direct f of x equal to theta f of x अच्छी थी. What होगी जी RHL पे अलगा अच्छी, LHL पे उठा अलगा अच्छी. So here, so again you write c equal to what, a. Yes, c equal to a. Even wait. Yes, c equal to a. So here also little wrong in the book. You correct that. In your book it is wrong. Here also 0. Here this is also 0, and this is also 0. Okay. In your book it is a given. You correct this. This is 0. At x equal to 0 means c equal to 0. Okay. At x equal to 0 means c equal to 0. F of 0 means f of c. F of 0 मूल्यटा जेतोळे x equal to 0 आर मूल्यटा केते दिया है -1, you put this one equal to -1. So this is what f of c equal to -1 came already. You get for greater than 0 means for greater than, when x greater than 0 its value also -1. जेतोळे x रो मूल्यटा greater than means RHL. If greater than means that value equal to RHL. So RHL equal to also -1. केमती RHL -1 आसला, RHL equal to -1 केमती आसला, जोटी ग्रेटर देन अछि सेटा RHL पई सेटा हबो, जोटी इक्वल अछि डायरेक्ट एटा f of c पई सेटा दिया, एटा डायरेक्ट पई आ RHL पई दिले जाय पई -1. नाउ यू फाइंड LHL. LHL कोड फाइंड करा लेस देन अछि ए फंक्शन रे पुट करा ना गेट या लिमिट h tends to 0 minus f of c minus sc means what, 0 0 minus h. Limit h tends to 0 minus here 1 by f x by कौन पुट करा 0 minus h, it is 0 minus h, it is 0 minus h पुट करा 0 minus h plus greatest integer of 0 minus h. What is the greatest integer? You will get 1 by limit h tends to 0 minus 1 by 0 minus h means minus h plus 0 रू minus h माने h रू मूल्यटा केते 0 सहित समान. Actually 0 minus h रू मूल्यटा कोन 0 equal to 0 आसीबा କଥା, but जेतो ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर एटा होची ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर मिथिले ग्रेटेस्ट इंटीजर दिस वन 1 लेस इज एटी कोन हो 1 लेस इज 0 minus 1 is 0 minus 1. 0 minus 1 equal to -1. So instead of this you put what, -1. Okay, -1. So again instead of here h equal to 0 you put here, so 1 by 0 plus -1 that equal to -1. So LHL equal to RHL equal to -1, LHL equal to -1, and f of c also -1. In this case, so it is continuous. So it is continuous. Okay. So now next one. So this is the continuity. You practice the continuity problems. Here to get the problems are from exercise 7a. Exercise 7a the problems. Okay, you practice all the problems carefully.